Client AR adjustments display the biggest difference between a cash and an accrual method. On a cash basis, the client AR may appear to track in exactly the same manner as the accrual basis, but the postings you see are only notation and have no basis in the general ledger. This is why you will not see the client AR on the trial balance. Because the client AR is only notation, the client AR balance can be amended by doing a cash client AR adjustment. If you are reviewing past client AR balances and have found the past balance to be inaccurate, you can adjust it by first clicking the $sign, which brings up the old payment screen, then click the gear and wrench icon. In the Client AR Adjustments window, the only type you have is Cash Client AR Adjustment. You can choose the policy or leave it blank. Since we are clearing out a historical balance, we will leave it blank. Enter the date and the amount you wish to adjust and click OK. The adjustment will be listed and you can modify the description if needed. Keep in mind that this has no background postings. For instance, if you have a small balance to write off, you need the policy postings to correct the policy's payable and commission. In that case, instead of using the Cash Client AR adjustment, apply a payment towards the policy as normal, then clear the payment in the cash account, writing off the balance to the desired account. I always return to the Client AR and make proper notation in the description box. See next the NSF process for a cash basis, which may utilize the Cash Client AR adjustment.